Hello everyone, I'm James from Has Wings, and welcome to today's episode, where we'll be exploring something truly special, winter wildlife. While summer adventures are often popular, winter has its own charm, offering a quieter, more peaceful way to connect with nature. From snow-covered forests to icy coastlines, there are so many wonderful places to experience wildlife in its winter habitat. Let's take a look at some top destinations for nature lovers who are ready to embrace the colder season. Winter offers a unique perspective on the natural world. With fewer crowds, quieter landscapes, and animals adapting to the season. It's a great time to slow down and observe nature's rhythms. Whether it's spotting animals against a snowy backdrop or seeing species that thrive in colder climates. Winter gives us a chance to experience wildlife in a different light. Yellowstone is breathtaking year-round, but winter transforms it into a snowy sanctuary. Animals like bison, wolves and elk are much easier to spot during this time as they move through the open landscapes. Winter is also prime wolf watching season. Guided tours through the Lamar Valley can give you a closer look at these iconic predators, while thermal geysers and bubbling hot springs provide a beautiful contrast to the icy surroundings. Tip: make sure to dress in layers as temperatures can drop well below freezing, and consider booking a guided wildlife tour for the safest and best experience. For those in the UK or looking to explore Europe, the Cairngorms in Scotland is a fantastic winter destination. This park is home to a variety of species, including red deer, mountain hares, and golden eagles. In winter, the landscape turns magical, and you might spot ptarmigans in their snowy white plumage. The rugged mountains and frosty terrain also make for stunning photography opportunities. Tip: be sure to wear sturdy boots, as conditions can be icy, and always check the weather before heading out. Japan's northernmost island, Hokkaido, is a wildlife lover's paradise in winter. One of the highlights here is watching red-crowned cranes perform their elegant courtship dances in snowy fields. These cranes are a symbol of longevity and good fortune in Japan, and seeing them in person is a truly memorable experience. Hokkaido is also home to Stella's sea eagles, sika deer, and the adorable Azo red fox. Tip: plan your trip between January and February for the best chance to see the cranes and other winter wildlife. Svalbard is an Arctic dream for those seeking a unique winter adventure. This remote archipelago, located between mainland Norway and the North Pole, is home to polar bears, Arctic foxes, and reindeer. While the winter months bring polar nights, the dark skies also create a chance to see the northern lights. It's a place where icy wilderness meets unforgettable wildlife. Tip: always travel with a guide when exploring Svalbard, as safety is essential in such a remote and harsh environment. The Canadian Rockies, particularly the national parks of Banff and Jasper, are a haven for winter wildlife enthusiasts. Moose, elk, and wolves are just some of the animals you can spot here. The frozen lakes and snow-covered peaks provide a dramatic backdrop, while bighorn sheep are often seen along the Icefields Parkway. The combination of wildlife and stunning scenery makes this a top destination for nature lovers. Tip: early mornings are the best time for wildlife spotting, so plan to start your day before sunrise. Finland's taiga, or boreal forest, offers a serene winter experience. The snow-covered trees create an enchanting atmosphere, and you might encounter lynx, wolverines, or even brown bears, although they hibernate during winter. For birdwatchers, Siberian jays and great grey owls are a highlight. Many visitors also enjoy husky sledding, which adds a touch of adventure to the trip. Tip: stay in one of Finland's cozy wilderness lodges to fully immerse yourself in the experience. While it's not a typical winter destination, visiting Kruger National Park during the dry season, which coincides with winter in the southern hemisphere, offers unique advantages. With less vegetation, animals like elephants, lions, and leopards are easier to spot around water sources. The cooler weather also makes safari trips more comfortable. Tip: remember to pack sunscreen and a hat, as the sun can still be strong even in winter. If you're planning to explore winter wildlife, preparation is key. Here are a few essentials. Warm layers. Thermal clothing, insulated jackets, hats and gloves will help you stay comfortable. Waterproof gear. Snow and rain can be unpredictable, so pack waterproof boots and outerwear. Binoculars or a camera. These are must-haves for observing or photographing wildlife. Snacks and hot drinks. Staying energized is important, especially during long outdoor excursions. Winter wildlife destinations offer a peaceful and rewarding way to connect with nature. Whether it's watching polar bears in Svalbard, cranes in Japan, or wolves in Yellowstone, these experiences create lasting memories. Winter may be cold, but the beauty of these moments makes it all worthwhile. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Haswings for more travel inspiration. Let me know in the comments which winter wildlife destination you'd love to visit, or share your experiences if you've been to one. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.